Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look today at a 2018 Clipper Coachmen 806 XLS pop-up camper. A couple features on the outside we'd like to point out before we hit inside. You've got air conditioning on this one. You can see it there on the roof, which is a nice feature for a trailer of this size. And you've also got a full Dinette awning on this unit as well. Be able to get that out and enjoy a full camping experience in the shade if you need to. Taking a look at the inside of the unit, right away you see a nice spot to sit and eat and enjoy a nice meal with your family. You can also drop that down if you need a little bit of extra sleeping space, so that doubles in that way as well. Kitchen here is a 2-burner cooktop with a sink. You've got some storage underneath, and you've got a little fridge here as well, so you've got everything you need to keep your food cold and cook right inside the trailer. Folded out, you've got a nice comfortable bunk, great mattress, good quality mattress on this unit as well. So lots of sleeping space between the bunk at the back, the bunk at the front, and of course the drop-down table that we mentioned earlier. More storage over here and a spot to sit down and enjoy some company. Got a spot to hang up a few things here as well, some storage underneath. So all kinds of options to keep things stowed away. You've got another storage unit here as well, just to the right as you enter the trailer. Again, with that air conditioning unit, able to keep nice and cool. Get in here and open up the windows, and you have a nice bright interior as well. So this has been a quick look at the 2018 Coachmen Clipper pop-up camper we have here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales. Come on in and see us, folks. Lots of summer left to go. Our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton would love to help you as well. All kinds of options in lightweight towable units. We've also got some larger models arriving daily, both pre-owned and brand new on the lot. Come on in and see us here, folks. We'd love to help you out, get you out camping this summer.